Hey everyone, Cameron Giardini here with Boomer Health Group, and this topic is going to cover how to use GoodRx. So, you've probably seen on TV a lot lately about GoodRx and saving money on prescriptions. And what GoodRx really is it's a coupon style alternative or discount program in in place of insurance. So this is not something that is going to go on top of your current Part D prescription drug plan or your Advantage drug coverage. This is simply if you have medications, maybe you're in the donut hole, or you just have cheaper meds that you don't want to necessarily use with your insurance, you can go on GoodRx, try to find the best coverage options or the best prices. So again, GoodRx, you'll see it everywhere as the solution to cheap meds. Oftentimes your Part D will still be better, but this at least is a good alternative or a good place to start when you're trying to find what may be the best price medication. So, with that being said, you simply go to goodrx.com. You can see that up here. And then it says type in the name of your drug. So, let's try something like Eliquis. So, Eliquis is a pretty expensive brand name medication. You may want to try to find alternatives, like I said, if you're in the donut hole. So, you go here to Eliquis, simply click on it, and it will pull up all the options. So what it does is it runs all the different pharmacies in your area. You can adjust the dosage here too. So if you take a 2.5 milligram, a 5 milligram, obviously other meds will have different dosages, and you can also change the quantity. So what you do here is you just go through, you find the cheapest one. It does go cheapest at the top down to the most expensive. If you find Costco, for example, it's normally 517. With GoodRx, it's 448. All you do is click free coupon, and then there you go. You can print out this coupon, take it to your local Costco, and get the price as advertised on the coupon. Now, it's not 100% of the time accurate. Just go into it expecting some leeway on either side, but it is a good place to start. At least try this if you're wondering about more expensive meds. You can even go to the pharmacy and say, what is this with GoodRx with this coupon versus what is it with my insurance card? Again, you can't use both together, but at least it gives you more options to be a smarter consumer and possibly get a lower price. So the last thing I want to show you guys on GoodRx, which is kind of nice, is if you go to this little Medicare tab on the left side, you can click on that and it will give you some more information about how the medication is covered with Medicare. So Eliquis, 99% of drug plans or Advantage plans will cover it, and you can see here that the copay is huge difference, so $19 up to $511. So like I said, typically Part D is going to be more cost effective than using a GoodRx coupon. Obviously, a $19 copay is much lower than $430 with the coupon, but if you're in a plan for whatever reason and your Eliquis is not covered, then 511 is going to be higher than the coupon. So again, it's just different things you can look at. You can even look at the donut hole, what the price will be after the donut hole when you're in catastrophic coverage. So this just gives you a little breakdown on what it looks like when you're on Medicare with these medications. And again, you can do this with any medication, atorvastatin, lisinopril. So this is a good place to start if you're curious about different pricing. If you have any questions, let us know. Other than that, stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for stopping by.